Calm down, calm down. Come here, have a seat. You know what, Effie? I'm going to tell you a story. It is a tale about knights, wicked creatures, hope, redemption, and above all, magic. A long time ago, so long ago that I can barely remember, there was a young man called Galland, who had been gifted with great strength. One day, a girl knocked on his door asking for help, as her cart had broken down in the nearby forest. Galland, however, was extremely lazy, so he lied to her and told her there was nothing he could do about it. No, not now. The young girl, however, was a powerful witch, and she cursed Galland, who instantly turned into an old man.
You don't know what you've got until it's gone, right?
Galland didn't know what to do, as he had never witnessed magic before. So he decided to visit the Master, who lived at the top of the mountain. Perhaps he could undo the spell. Much to his disappointment, though, the Master was unable to do it. However, the Master also told him that the Elder Protectors, ancient ancestors who watched over kind-hearted souls, possessed the power to break the enchantment. Galland was unsure whether he had a kind heart or not. But what were his options? He traveled relentlessly for days, until he finally reached the Temple of the Elder Protectors. There he was. When suddenly, the ground trembled beneath his feet. Nature was taking over the very corridor. He had to run for his life! Roots shot up from the very ground itself, and Galland was forced to take a leap of faith. And he succeeded! He could hardly believe it, but now he had to just climb up. He had taken a hit and a tumble, but he survived the fall. This was the beginning of his magical adventure. The runestones apparently strengthened Galland. They endowed him with vitality, power, and even wisdom. It was like a taste of youth. Time was not on Galen's side. He had to find the Elder Protectors before it was too late. The temple had to be brimming with secrets, left behind by its old constructors. Galen felt an urge within him. There! Those were the statues of the Elder Protectors! Galen had to reach the center of the hall. But how? Oh, that's not what happened. What Galen really did was... Our hero tread upon a strange tile on the floor, and it activated a mechanism in the door. The traps could be easily avoided. Galen just had to time his jumps. Hardly a concern for him. Galen felt much better now. The buildings were in disrepair. Our old man would need to cross quickly if he didn't want to be swallowed by the looming abyss. Finally, he had found the Elder Protectors. At last, he would recover his youth.
We have been watching you for some time, Galland. We know why you are here. You want to recover your lost years. and we could give them back to you. However, we don't know if you have a kind heart. So you will have to prove your worth. A great evil has fallen over the Red Plains of Oblana. It's Melira, the witch. She was the one who cursed you. Put an end to her evil, and return Oblana to its dwellers. In order to do so, you'll need to cleanse the power from the gems of evil. After that, the cities will be free once more.
The Elder Protector had been clear. Melira, the gems of evil, and all their dark power had to be destroyed.
To aid you in your quest, we have created a special shield for you. If you have a pure heart, Runestone will accept you, guide you, and become a part of you. Now go, and enjoy your adventure.
Suddenly, everything started trembling again, and the roots reappeared inside the temple. The wicked Melira was attacking the temple. But this time, Galland had a shield to protect him. The wicked Melira was attacking the temple. But this time, Galland had a shield to protect him.